Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm installing a blow-off valve adapter on the Clubman. It's an N18 engine, so as far as I've seen, you kind of have to modify this a little bit to make it fit. So we'll see how that goes. Let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to start installing the blow-off valve. So we're going to start by undoing a couple things. Going to undo this, that, and this.
So basically we have this adapter plate here and it sits flush on here, but this wastegate is in the way, so we need to file a little bit off of this side right here to be able to line up the holes. So we're going to get to that right now. You having fun over there?